In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change speech language in Claude AI. If you use Claude for voice conversations or want the interface and spoken responses to match your preferred language, updating the language setting is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it from sign in to selecting the language and share a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening your browser and heading to Claude AI. This is the official site where you can access your chats, voice features, and account settings. If you're not already signed in, look for the sign in button on the page and click it. You can log in with your usual method, such as your email or a trusted single sign-on option. If you're prompted to pick an account, select the one you normally use with Claude. You might see a brief confirmation screen. Go ahead and continue. The site will redirect you back to Claude, and you'll land on your chat dashboard in a moment. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen for your profile area. It may show your avatar or initials. Click that to open your account menu. In the menu that appears, choose Language. This is where you manage how Claude speaks and understands in supported contexts, as well as how certain parts of the interface display text. You'll now see a list of available languages. Select the one you want Claude to use. Depending on availability, you may see regional variants or dialects. Pick the option that best fits your needs. In most cases, your choice saves automatically. If there's a Save or Done button, click it to confirm. From here, changes typically take effect right away. If you're using voice features, Claude will aim to recognize and respond in the language you chose, and relevant interface text will reflect that selection where supported. A few quick tips. If you don't see the language option, refresh the page or sign out and back in. Some features roll out gradually by region or device, so make sure your browser is up to date. If you're on mobile, look for your profile or settings icon and find language in the same way. And if voice input isn't working as expected after switching languages, check your microphone permissions in your browser or device settings, then try again. That's it, your speech language in Claude AI is now updated. Enjoy more natural conversations in the language that works best for you.